Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh boy, we've got a nice 72 C10 Cheyenne short bed truck right here. LS motor, the modern transmission, air conditioning, beautiful truck. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study about 100 photos, get the price, not only on this vehicle, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy watching the videos. Click on the bell icon, you'll be notified every time there's a new one posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this slick black truck. I bought some 4 vehicles from a collection down in Alabama, all premium high-end vehicles. I've been happy with all of them. This one here is restored. Underneath is real clean. It's been just cleaned up and painted. Got real nice dual exhaust that you'll hear in a little bit with stainless steel welded mufflers. The front end's been all rebuilt. Has a custom relocated fuel tank. All new brakes. Got disc in front. It is the 4L60E. That's the electronic shift automatic transmission. The body is beautiful. I mean, this thing's like a mirror. It also has the sticker on the inside of the glove box where it lists all the options and features. This truck was born a black Cheyenne and loaded up. It came with air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. It's a loaded up truck to begin with. So yeah, they gave it a stunning paint job. I mean, just look at the reflection. I can read a dictionary in the reflection of this paint. It is absolutely stunning, straight, polished black trim. Part of the Cheyenne was all this extra trim. It's got the wood grain. That's all new. New door handles, new mirrors, new emblems, all new moldings, new rubber gaskets. The glass is excellent. It has a cowl hood. This is a steel hood. 20-inch wheels, American racing wheels with some performance tires. This looks like it's all been replaced. It's got tri-bar headlights, all in beautiful shape. Looks like this is a correct antenna. It's new. The rubber gaskets are replaced. The interior is my favorite part of the truck. All custom TMI interior. It's all matching. The seats, the headliner, center console, real comfortable reclining bucket seats. Got a really sharp looking console with cup holders. Look at these custom molded matching door panels, billet handles. Got some nice billet sill plates, new carpet. The whole inside the cab's been repainted black. They did add retractable seat belts. Inside the bed, it's all spray and bed liner. You can tell it was all straight, not beat up, not rusted. You can use this truck. Why not? You gotta go somewhere and pick something up, throw it in the back of here. You're not gonna hurt anything. Gas is relocated, so it has the fuel filler right there in the floor. You can see they've added a sliding window. It's tinted glass. Also has the cargo light. Yeah, check out that interior. I love it. Even the dash pad is an upgraded custom dash pad with stitching on the front of it. And all new custom Dakota digital analog gauges. They light up red. It's got tachometer, has working clock. All new wood grain, all new trim, new bezels. Really sharp looking steering wheel, a billet shift handle. The air is ice cold in this truck. It's an LS 5.3 motor. Aluminum heads, intake, the whole bottom of the motor is aluminum. It has some custom billet brackets, modern alternator, the modern power steering, serpentine belt system, the modern air conditioning. It has a custom cover over the engine with Chevrolet script emblems on it. The power brake booster and master is all chrome plated. It's got a big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, I would say that's show quality in the motor compartment. It's got a retro stereo. I'd sit in here, I might not get out. The seats are so comfy. It's got about 1,800 miles on this truck since it's been built. We got new latches, sticker, a new weather strip around the door. This thing's nice. Motor just runs spot on. It's got a custom polished air intake tube with a K&N filter. Got the computer. Beautiful. Bottom of the hood's gloss black. Everyone wants the LS motors. They're reliable. They make plenty of power. Does have the headliner, new visors. So there you have it, a really sharp looking, loaded up truck, LS motor. Get in and use it, drive it, take care of it, but why not use the truck? VoloCars.com is where you can meet my staff. They'll help you with any questions or concerns you have about the vehicles, the process, delivery, financing. We can help with all of that at VoloCars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. Thanks for watching.